Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle an interesting problem revolving around the sizeof operator in C. The problem at hand is whether sizeof int 1, 2, 3 gets evaluated at compile time and if it produces any side effects. This might seem like a niche issue, but it's actually quite crucial, especially when trying to adhere to standards like misra rule 13.6, which focuses on avoiding expressions with potential side effects. Now, let's delve into the solution provided. The spec doesn't explicitly guarantee that sizeof int 1, 2, 3 is evaluated at compile time, but it's likely so. This, however, isn't directly related to the concerns of misra 13.6. In the context of side effects, the expression int 1, 2, 3 doesn't produce any according to the language specifications. Remember, the key point here is that the operand of sizeof isn't actually evaluated, which aligns with the essence of the misra rule, aiming to prevent surprises from unintended side effects. In conclusion, we've explored the intricacies of the sizeof operator and its behavior in the context of potential side effects. The warning you encountered about the side effects of sizeof operand being ignored is likely spurious when considering the language specifications. Remember to always be cautious when dealing with such nuances in your code. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!